Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the 8th episode of the series Quantum Physics for Everyone. Imagine you are holding two magnets. When you try to push the same poles together, you feel that invisible pushback. What you are feeling is not magic, it's a magnetic field. We can't see it, but we know it's there because of what it does. This is a classical field, a concept scientists like Michael Faraday discovered in the 1800s. Now let's go deeper. Quantum Field Theory or QFT. It takes this idea and blends it with the strange rules of the quantum world. According to quantum field theory, the entire universe is filled with invisible, fluid-like substances called quantum fields. Think of them like a vast, invisible ocean that exists anywhere all at once. You might wonder if everything is made of fields. What about particles? This is the beautiful part. What we think of as fundamental particles are actually tiny ripples or vibrations in their respective fields. The particle we call an electron is just a little bundle of energy, a ripple in the universal electron field. A photon, a particle of light, is a ripple in the electromagnetic field. There is a field for electrons, a field for quarks, which make up protons and neutrons, and even a field for a Higgs boson. So, at the most fundamental level, the building blocks of nature are not tiny dots, but these excited vibrating fields. If you could look at empty space with a super-powered microscope, you would not see a quite nothing. Instead, you would see a bubbling, frothing soup. This is because of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which says that fields can never sit completely still. Even in a perfect vacuum, fields are constantly jittering, creating temporary pairs of particles and antiparticles that pop in and out of existence in a flash. This quantum foam is not just a theoretical idea, it has real effects that we can measure. The principles of quantum field theory are also crucial for the technology we rely on. The laser in your DVD player, the magnetic resonance imaging, the MRI machine in hospitals, and the transistors in your computer all operate on principles that can be traced back to our understanding of quantum fields and their interactions. Furthermore, concepts from quantum field theory are now inspiring new technologies in quantum computing and condensed matter physics, helping scientists design new materials with novel properties. So, what should we take away from our journey into quantum field theory? Number 1. Remember that the universe is not made of tiny, solitary balls. It is made of continuous dynamic fields. Number 2. The particles we observe are simply excitation or ripples in these fundamental fields. Number 3. What we think of as empty space is actually a seething sea of quantum fluctuations that is never truly empty. And finally, number 4. This incredible and mathematically sophisticated theory is not just an abstract idea. It is our most successful description of the universe, tested and verified to incredible precision, and it derives the technology of today and tomorrow.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.